Wrong house. Just kidding. Welcome to 45 Starlight Crescent, and I'm so excited and honored to present this gorgeous house. Eli Bakhtiari, president of Remax Realtor and Eli Bakhtiari's team. Let's check out this stunning house. Combined living room, dining room, impeccable attention to details. I'm sure still I can see. This is all completely done with everything custom. $400 calorie, 700 calorie. Which one you want to try in this beautiful kitchen? Ta-da! Gorgeous Brazilian granite. Isn't it lovely?
In the morning I wake, another beautiful day. I finally figured the recipe. A bit of giving and taking. Life, it is what you make it, nothing petty.
One of the best features in this house is that I like to point it out. We have a guest room in a main floor.
A little bit low. Live for the moment. Ooh, live for the time. Live for the moment.
Wow, this is a very intelligent choice by owner and builder.
I wanna sing 1,000 times a day so I could get you higher to the ground. Get you high. Whatever you need to enjoy the way to be inside the moment of the now. A little bit of slow, a little bit of go, a little bit of high, a little bit low.
This house comes with 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and this huge primary suite balcony.
Live for the moment. Now you get yours and I get mine.
Located in a private street and comes with 83 frontage.
I got this one choice in my pocket and I'm reaching for that place. Gonna pull out all my might and shine away. I got this one choice.
Previous floor, walkout basement, and dog wash. Nothing is missing in this basement.